Hi, Nadia here from RP Emery Legal Kits with a quick video explaining what happens after your draft agreement is approved for the legal review service. Firstly, you'll be sent an email with a purchase link. Once we receive your payment, within 24 hours, we will allocate 2 independent lawyers for you and your partner. Your draft agreement and contact details are passed on to these lawyers. All of our lawyers work from separate offices and are totally independent of each other and of us. This ensures that the independent nature of your relationship with your lawyer and the integrity of the service is not compromised. At the same time, you and your partner will receive your lawyer's contact details via email. You don't need to wait for your lawyer to contact you. In fact, we encourage you to make contact with your lawyer straight away to arrange a mutually convenient phone appointment. Both parties will speak with their advisors independently about how the agreement impacts their rights and whether it is to their advantage or disadvantage to enter the agreement. Once your lawyer has provided the legal advice, you will receive via post or email, depending on the lawyer, a letter confirming the advice, a lawyer's certificate of independent advice, and a final copy of your agreement. When both parties have received their documents, you should sign the agreement following the instructions in the members area. Please note that under no circumstances should you attempt to modify the agreement after you have received your legal advice and signed the document. And that's it. Your financial agreement is now complete. Store it away in a safe place. There is no need to have it filed with the court or any other organisation. You can now relax and get on with the rest of your life.